Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change the background color in Google Docs. So let's start the video. First open Google Docs and open the document where you want to change the background color. Now click File from the top menu. Then go to Page Setup. A window will appear with different page settings. Now click on Page Color. And from the color palette, choose the color you want for your document's background. After that, click OK. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.